Hello everybody and welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be talking about how to install your safety chain off of your Blue Diamond brush cutter. The safety chains are going to come with every one of the brush cutters. That's going to be the heavy duty, the extreme duty, and that severe duty brush cutter. We're going to go over how to install this, what are some key features of why you would want this installed, and we're going to get right into it. So you're going to find your safety chain at the center of the deck on the cutter here, connected to that chain skirt. You're going to then take that chain, you're going to loop it through the top here. Once you've got your safety chain hooked up and around that anchor point on your skid steer, you're going to then bring it from underneath and up over to the top of the deck of the cutter. You can either put it from the top, under, and around, or you can put it from underneath to the top. It really does not matter. Then you're going to take this clevis hook here, you're going to unscrew the pin, and just make sure that you've got the clevis hook here hooked to the last chain link on the safety chain. It's just going to make it much easier for you. You're then going to pick whatever one of these links you'd like. You'll drop that pin through. Make sure you tighten it up. And once this is nice and tight, you've now installed your safety chain on your brush cutter and you are ready to run. Major reason why you're going to want to have the safety chain installed onto your skid steer is it's going to help if, for whatever reason, the very rare chance that your quick attach is not hooked up to the mounting plate on the brush cutter properly. If that brush cutter were to slip off of your mount, you then have that safety chain tied tight and close to the skid steer. This is going to help prevent any damage on the brush cutter as well as your machine itself. And then another big thing is that it's going to help prevent if you were to lose that grip on the mount with your quick attach. It's going to help preserve the life of these hoses. So these hoses aren't going to rip right out of the machine if for whatever reason that were to happen. One other major feature of why you would want this installed is because you don't want to be raising the cutters too high into the air. Just for safety reasons, you don't want material flying all over the place. So this is going to help kind of limit the height that you can raise this brush cutter up to. Because with something like an open front design brush cutter, you're really not going to need to raise the arms of the machine because of that open front design you see here in the front. You're going to be able to run this cutter straight through your cut path, and if you run into any sort of trees, saplings, anything like that that's taller and thicker around in the width of the base of the material, you're going to be able to simply just go right at it, and this front push bar here is going to help push that right over. So there really is no reason to raise that cutter way up in the air and then bring it top down onto that tree per se. If you do have any questions about our brush cutters or the safety chain and how to install it, please feel free to give us a call here. You can reach us back at 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description below. This is going to pull up all the information on our brush cutters. You will also see some additional photos, features, specs, and other videos of this cutter in action. Thank you all very much for watching, and you all have a great rest of your day.